Hey guys, hope you're having a wonderful day. It's a bright sunny day, so I brought you a colorful pour with the most vibrant colors. The colors I'm using today are Quinacridone rose, sage green. This is a custom made color. I saw this color combination on Pinterest and I really loved it. Let's see if we could get the same results here. Some paints gray. All the colors fall in the cooler colors category. Some sky blue. I love the combination of Payne's gray and sky blue. It's one of my favorite. How are you guys doing today? It's very bright and sunny here, and I hope you are also enjoying the sun outside. And if you are struggling today, it feels a little heavy, don't worry. I brought you a little pick-me-up. Hope it brings you a little joy. Sometimes the presence of a person is just what we need. I'm thinking of doing a ring pour, 3 ring pours actually. I almost forgot my violet here. This looks promising. What do you think of the colors? And what other color combinations should I try? If you have any suggestions for me, please let me know. First ring. I do my ring pours from inside going towards the outside. I think I will start from here. Let's see. I like that the colors are not blended together. It's well-defined patterns. It's a very unusual color combination. Almost there. It reminds me of a hypnotized cyber monkey. Just covering the edges. It's always the corners that are very hard to get to. So I always spread some paint of the same colors. So far, so good. It's the beauty of looking at the flow dart. Something so mesmerizing. I feel so much joy and awe by seeing the movement of the colors. It just soothes me. Just look at the beautiful patterns, the teal, and the violet. Almost done. I really wanted to keep that violet and teal, that pattern, but it's going off of the canvas. Yeah, I really like this. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. It will help me so much. It will encourage me to make more art. I will highly appreciate it. It will help me grow. I love this. Very distinct colors, not blended together. The teal looks like a highlight through the violet. It's beautiful. Just lovely.